Okay, oh yeah, half shell is with a banana.
Banana.
Okay.
Ready, Freddy?
So you see ladies, when you come, you can get your own souvenir. A banana man. Okay. Smile.
Swallow.
Smile if you swallow. So yes, peeps, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Bless. So today we are at Montego Bay Culture Village. Yeah, we're in Jamaica, you have craft market and stuff like that. So I'm just walking today and checking out the craft market. Yeah, good afternoon, mommy. How are you? Yeah. Huh? Oh, 164 is your shop?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So how long have you been here? Miss Pearline?
Miss Pearl.
Miss Pearly? Oh.
Here over 35.
Over 35 years? That's so long. So how is it different?
No business not in here.
Seriously?
You see how you come and see here?
Yeah.
You don't come and see tourists up and down in here. You don't get in business here.
But you know, the same thing here than people them say the outdoor craft market too.
Nobody don't. The tourism minister not working in our interests.
Oh,
If they was working in our interest, you would see tourists coming here.
yeah,
You can see the dilapidated condition of the market.
yeah,
This is 9 years since we have a new prime minister.
yeah,
And he told us that in the first 100 days, what is going to take place,
yeah,
and I will believe in him.
yeah.
But nothing of that won't happen for no poor people. Look on the condition.
Yeah, the market look dry.
Right now from morning, I took mango me eat. Okay, buy a cup of tea, come in and sell. See, them never bother take out the top them as you.
So you pay for this?
Yes, $6,000 a month. The first of every month, you have to have parish council $6,000.
Wow.
Right now, we're not selling in here
Yeah.
to get money to pay
Oh, so
my rent.
money have to come out of your pocket.
To come and
Yeah,
pay
so
the
you're not paying, working for itself then?
No,
Good gosh.
nothing is happening. And the others will tell you the same.
Mm-hmm.
If you go should walk from down the bottom,
Yeah,
me not have to say nothing more because you see,
yeah,
when things is going on good,
yeah,
you see
yeah.
a lot of variety pop out and
But-
nobody.
But tourists come to Mobile?
Maybe on the Hill Street, but not at Harbour Street Craft Market.
Oh, okay.
And this is the largest craft market in Mobile here.
Yeah, yeah,
And there
yeah.
is no business here.
Whoa, that's not good.
And we need business in the market.
Of course, to survive.
We need business in the craft market.
So all of them stuff here, Jamaica then come from our China?
Everything where they are so make right in a Jamaica. You know, by a Indian.
Yeah, yeah.
Our people them who sit down around machine and sew them.
Yeah, that's what
And
me
we
glad
make
for that.
order and then bring in here, pay them their money.
I'm glad for that. That part I'm glad for.
Yeah.
Because I just walk the town and I realize that almost every single store, 98% of the store are Chinese.
Yes, but this what we have in here, so
Yeah,
we have
Jamaica,
the local
made in Jamaica.
manufacturer we make them careful.
Oh, okay,
Swimsuit, everything.
yeah,
Men's and ladies wear,
yeah.
children wear, everything right here.
Wow.
But we need business.
Yeah, that's true.
We can't sit down so.
No. I'm gonna look on some of your stuff then.
Yeah, man,
You see peeps, so she have nice stuff in here. Well crafted Jamaican cups also. Look at this. This is like so unique.
right here.
Yeah,
Right here, coffee mug.
yeah.
See there, coffee mug.
Trust me, this is Jamaica.
Big Jamaica, Japan.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
unique.
Right here in Jamaica.
This is unique peeps.
This coconut authentic.
Yeah, it's a coconut one.
You all see them there?
Yeah,
Authentic cup.
coconut.
The coconut.
This is real coconut.
It will take Mickey.
Yes, peeps. Yeah, you know? So they need more sales, no sales. All Bob Marley, this up my dog. Yeah, she got nice stuff in here.
Need things in
Yes, mommy, that's true.
there. They are like little jewelry.
Yeah.
Them there. Little jewelry that.
I'm gonna circle them, but let me make sure I come back and sample your one. Because you're first one, I stop with.
Yes.
I make sure I circle and come back and buy something from you.
All right, you
164.
want this,
Yeah. So we in the craft market, Mobile craft market. Good morning, good afternoon, same way or morning, same way? Yeah, true, man. And that's actually me feel very bad about that because I realize that all of the market them me. Oh, I'm a YouTuber, Jamaican YouTuber. I'm go around Jamaica and show what I go on to Jamaica. Because people love Jamaica, Anything.
The whole world of Jamaica.
Yeah, anything positive towards Jamaica. That's what I do. Nothing negative.
Oh.
Yeah, I love my country, but I just not love what I go on. Yeah, yeah. No place like Jamaica, None. Yeah. Yeah, and this lady have some nice stuff. Yeah. You met them one day? Mm-hmm. Yeah, my mind tell me my mother can do that too. Crochet. Mm-hmm. Yeah, my mother do crochet. She do baby shoes and stuff like that too. Yeah, yeah. But me never learn.
Really?
Yeah, me never learn. I guess I wasn't. I never see that important, but I should have.
But it is very important.
Yeah, yeah.
People come asking them, so when is it going to be a outfit?
Yeah. Yeah. And them hot. I like them. Yeah.
Make it hot too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Them nice one. Really nice.
People go for.
Yeah.
We have some short skirts and things.
Yeah, that's what I see.
What colors? Just make one set of color because of red, green, gold and black.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make everything. Color. And just really nice. And she's at 165. Yeah. Alright, mommy, thank you. Yeah, it's a babysit the grandbaby.
Whatever you can.
Mommy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really hearing us looking at the market today. I want to go on,
Aye.
Yeah, everywhere I go, the same thing. Watch your race everywhere.
Business slow.
Yeah.
I make no money.
So I make it look like some tourists now come to Jamaica.
And that they make it look like?
Yeah.
All I do is I'm in a hotel.
Yeah.
And then I have all inclusive and everything in it for them. I craft shop there and there.
Yeah, that's what I realize now.
For them, so. And then why I make all that money.
Wow.
But we not give up.
No, I can't give up.
We still live by faith and grace, The Almighty God. I'm a carry through.
True.
I did. I'm going to occupy my time and all in it because you can't just sit down and have a look so.
No.
But no, I said nothing.
Does somebody order that? Are you?
No, nobody don't order it. Me just.
What's you making?
I want bag many to know. It's not 3 days so.
Oh, yeah. In bag there. Yeah, I understand. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so you make most of your stuff then too?
Yeah, most of them I make them. Most of them make things. I make them and buy other stuff too.
Yeah.
Mix it stuff, but most of the stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Real Jamaican authentic stuff, babes, so then, This look bad. What's this? Yeah.
I mean, make all of them.
What do you mean? Ashtray them,
No, those are like small bowls. You have 3 different settings.
Oh, you mean to eat out of?
Yeah, can eat out of them or you put peanuts or sweet, party.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then design them and put some put sweet, some put nuts, some put cashew and design or vegetable.
Okay. How much you sell them for?
All of them set. That is set.
Is that a set? So
yes,
they sell together?
Yeah, you sell a set.
Okay.
You got one set and another set.
So how much should you set?
It's set we can get for 40 US.
Okay, that's very reasonable. That's very reasonable. Yeah, that's very reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's like, we have to just try.
Yeah, true.
This is some more.
Yeah, I'm like a pink one, Yeah.
We only want to guess.
Yeah. But I already have what to offer.
Right.
Yeah.
We don't want to guess to come in, but we get a great sabotage.
Yeah.
Great fight, but we not give up, we still a try.
Yeah, everywhere you go, your people are about the same thing, the craft people are about the same thing. Yeah. So that you don't need to vote for now.
Yeah, that's what you need.
Yeah, that's what you need to vote for.
Yeah.
No tourists, no vote. So that was saying, no tourists, no vote. Yeah. Right for me. Yeah. Yeah, this is like a Rasta one I want to do. A Rasta one, yes, sir?
I know Rasta, but I'm
Oh, okay. Wow. But this unique. Whoa. This is crazy. Awesome. Wow. Masterpiece. Masterpiece. Sales piece with a Montego Bay craft market or Montego Bay culture house, something like that. Hello, nice lady. I'm just looking at what people, Jamaicans are very, I would say now, creative with their hands and all that piece. All of these are made in Jamaica. But as I say, no tourists. So no tourists, no vote. True, mommy? You're saying no tourists, no vote. Yeah? No, so we need more tourists in the markets all over Jamaica. Yeah. So yes peeps, let's go around this side. So if it's the first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do and do what you love. And so we're doing more things in Jamaica, for Jamaica, by Jamaica. Good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, my name is Wholesale 777 TV. Yeah, that's a small YouTube channel. Upcoming YouTuber.
Nice.
Yeah, but go around and show people what's happening in Jamaica, you know? Yeah. I see everyone go to craft vendors especially. Are saying no tourists. Yeah. Yeah, place is dry.
Yeah, we're trying to work on it, but
yeah.
kind of hard.
Trying to work on it as in talking to...
Trying getting people in here, but the first thing we tell the vendors is people in here, they have to start making something. This is a craft market, it's for craft vendors. I mean, this is my shop, but this is what sells.
Oh.
So, because the tourists, the type of tourists where they get money and spend more than $5, $10. So we can't sit down and look out something and say,
Yeah. So what sell more? Craft or?
Magnets, t-shirts.
Oh. So they just look for like the souvenirs.
Just want to look at something they want. So it kind of put us in a line.
Yeah, kind of
and plus the market. So the market looks very...
Yeah.
You'll see it when you walk around.
Yeah, actually I'm looking.
Yeah. So what's your YouTube channel?
Wholesale 777 TV, I'll show you.
But if we get ahead and call you and you can come if we do the improvements
Yeah, I'll come and be in Jamaica. I'll be here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
For a while.
Okay. Talk about the market improvements and if we get to where we want to.
Yeah. What is not me? And that will give me a copyright now. Can I record it? We'll get a copyright.
Okay, let me...
Yeah. So this is my videos.
Okay.
These are my videos. This is the latest one that I did so far.
Okay.
Just to Jamaica and stuff like that. Yeah. I saw the mirror that's premiere.
Okay.
Still coming out tonight and stuff like that. Yeah. So you know.
Alright. So you just walk around like you have one named Artsy Girl.
What?
One channel down here called Artsy Girl. You ever see her?
No.
She did track all the development and everything in a Montego Bay.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I haven't heard of that as yet.
Yeah. A couple of them they try. One other guy they do the same thing too, but I think he have either he have a GoPro like that, or him have a drone. You know exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it do good because people in America will tell me say, then get to see them, you know?
Yeah.
And it's not filtered through any kind of...
Right. No, well, if I hit it in, that's raw.
Yes, most of the time it's just raw.
Yeah, that's
to the point where some people may think say they mustn't do it like that because they go out of the car and they drive.
Yeah.
I may say we don't want to see that. We want to see you have to edit it a little bit. So that's you?
Yeah.
Alright, just know them. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright then.
Okay. I'll keep walking.
Yeah.
I don't know much of family then.
So you speak? Huh? No.
Yeah. You know what one is?
Kinda.
It's Bottom Road. No, not even Bottom Road. You know where they say have the old cannon?
I'm not sure, but I will
You know where
find. If you go,
Aguasal used to be?
yeah.
Yes. Across over that side.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll go over there.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. So yes, peeps, this is Montego Bay Craft Market, and we are going, as you said, telling me about different markets. I'm going to go there also and see what Jamaicans creating, interact with Jamaicans and stuff like that. Good morning or good afternoon, Empress. Thing good? Okay. Some people will talk and some people won't, but we talk to who want to talk and leave those who won't. Okay? Yeah. Please. So I promise to buy something from the first day that I stop at, so I'm gonna stop and buy something. Can't buy something from everybody. But you know, we like to support everybody, but can't do it. Good afternoon or good morning. Everything alright?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So where's the market so far?
Why not that thing I'm going in the market?
You mind put up on the camera? Because before I find camera from people, I always ask them.
So much.
Oh, okay. I know find camera from people, so I listen say. Yeah. Now go on. Not slow. Yeah. Oh, okay. How long you been here?
About 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. Okay. So you think the tourists now coming here?
1 and 2 years it could come by. Not like first time like back then.
Yeah. Because way back I think like if Boston would have come and drop them off at the craft market and stuff like that.
We now get that again. Everything out of Bottom Road and them Indian and them people there.
Oh.
Not like before.
Yeah.
I mean at this market I would walk family 18-year-old.
Yeah, 18-year-old.
We usually working here with people.
Yeah. Until
but
you have your
then
own.
time there,
Uh-huh.
market when they run. But now run like that.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, I understand. So your survivors and paying your bills in here?
You know, 1 and 2 people will come like and then my husband they help me to
Oh.
you know.
So your husband have to use different money, not the business money in order to maintain.
No man,
Yeah.
they use some of the business money.
Oh,
like
oh,
they
oh.
make something use it. You
Yeah,
know?
come here most people say, them have to take money from them saving or stuff to pay
Yeah,
bills and all of that.
yeah, man.
Instead of this making profit from it.
That's not true.
Yeah.
Because you have your rent, you have to pay shop rent.
Yeah, every month.
And you have to buy 2 liquor goods so you can not drop down
Yeah.
the things in there. You understand?
Yeah.
Like if you not buy something, things look business goes
Yes,
down.
that's true.
So when you make one to somebody come and sell something,
Mm-hmm.
you have to buy back things.
Yeah.
And you have to pay shop rent.
Yeah, understand. Wow.
But me I tell you, say it's slow, bad.
Yeah, that's for me. Everybody else said to say it's slow. Yeah. You see, I have internet. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, 1 subscriber at a time. Thank you very much.
You are most welcome.
Yeah. Alright, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we still have, oh, this is your stall.
Yeah, man.
So your stall on the number? Oh, 137.
Yeah, man.
Okay, her style is 137. And even though she don't go up on camera, she's a very nice lady.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So you make them, you buy stuff or you just make?
Eh?
You buy stuff or just make stuff?
You make and then I will buy, you understand?
Oh, okay. Oh, you make and you buy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool. And she have some pretty nice stuff. Yeah. Okay.
That is something here.
Yeah.
You buy this and I swan these Spanish.
Oh. Oh, you buy
Buy the
this
basket
and then you do the
Yeah.
decorating.
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
Just like the pin box.
Mhm.
Like this.
Yeah.
You just buy this.
Oh, these are like jewelry box, like?
Yes, you
Oh,
put a
lady
little
dress
jewel
box.
in here.
Yeah,
And
and
then
real
you have
authentic.
Then you
And
have
fan.
the fan,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Mhm.
Oh,
Some
that's
dollar
creative.
in decoration here.
Yeah, that's creative.
And the bead up on the board, we make these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. So you went somewhere to learn?
No.
Even them here, you're never going nowhere to learn?
No.
Whoa. So you just come up with it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's very cool. Yeah. So like them here, them sell fast?
No, they don't really sell fast, Not sell fast at all.
Okay. So you're not gonna nowhere else to try to sell?
No.
It is right here?
That's right here.
Oh,
Okay. Say if you go like all the hotel, you have to have links.
Yeah.
To go,
Yeah.
You have to know somebody big in it and,
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So then like people not like come in here come buy wholesale for sell back like nothing like that like where you make stuff.
No, the wholesale, the people them do wholesale and come in like on Friday and sell them. Like
Oh.
so we buy from them.
Oh, I see. And then I like authentic Jamaican dolly.
Right.
Yeah.
We have the two sides.
Oh. Cool. Okay, cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
So if they want dolly, they have Jamaican dolly to play with.
Right.
Sell them plastic dolly then.
You're right.
Yeah. I hear Jamaican art. So much of them out here?
We sell them for 2.5.
Okay, that's reasonable too.
Yeah.
I realize, I show me a local way I said that.
No.
Yeah, 2.5. Okay, that's reasonable. Yeah.
It's a tourist price.
Yeah.
Local,
Yeah. Love that. Alright, man, may I continue walk, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Safe speaks, so just continue walking and looking. Yes, so these are created by Jamaicans. Sandal here. No, miss, I'm just looking. I'm documenting for YouTube. Yeah. But I won't point my camera at you without asking for your consent. I don't do that. No, some people don't like a camera, you know. Alright, she'll go and tell somebody, I'm going to look on her stuff then. Yeah, so that is my policy, peeps. I don't find camera at people unless I ask their permission. Yeah, before I do it. Yeah, but they have some real authentic things here. Some Bob Marley hat, everything Jamaican, but all of them complaining about the same thing, peeps, not getting enough tourists in here. Yes, so Minister of Tourism or whoever you be, do something for people in the craft market in Montego Bay and elsewhere in Jamaica also. The people them need to survive, so do something for them. Yes, and thanks. Yeah. As I say, people that make some nice stuff, real nice stuff. Yeah.
Alright.
So both stalls are yours?
Yes,
Wow. How long have you been here now?
40-something years.
Wow, you've been here before my band.
Yeah, man.
That's a long time.
Still going.
And still going.
You know why?
Why?
With Jehovah's help.
Okay, man. Okay. How you find it from 40 years, from then until now?
It's kind of different. What they do now, they take the tourists to the Indians.
Oh.
And leave us out. But few people know the value of the craft, so they keep coming.
Yeah.
I mean, I complain too much.
Right.
You've always provided, never left out in pitney them.
Right. So what's that you're making?
Fan. That's a lady. We draw the design. See her top, you see her head there, and her skirt.
So you just use a pen to just
Yes.
you want to go something in there?
Yes.
Yeah. So you go school or something for that?
No, somebody taught me.
Oh. Okay, you were passed down.
Yes.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, man.
Very simple. Oh, my name is Devon, and what's your name?
Patsy.
Miss Patsy?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Man, you sit down and they pull two needed,
Yeah.
We get drowsy and sleep.
And sleepy. Because once you're not busy, you're going to want to sleep.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Yes, Miss Patsy.
Now we need that. We need some more business.
Yeah. So So majority of them here are from made in Jamaica?
Yeah, man, but some we buy from India.
Yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
the wholesale and everything, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
Dresses made locally by
Made locally.
native.
Yeah. Okay. And she's at 141.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you be advertised too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Here's someone YouTuber foreign, they advertise, so they must come buy from the locals.
Yeah, I always say that. Buy from locals.
Yes, man.
It is very important to buy from the locals.
We sit down. We sit down and eat, man.
Yeah,
We sew, we stock,
yeah,
and hoping that somebody will always come.
yeah.
True, nobody now come with you now. Feel like
Yeah, I understand because it's time hot and light bill too.
Yes.
Yeah. JPS and business.
Yeah,
You can make your money, don't want pay.
Yeah. But I guess a business them are doing.
Yeah, business is business.
Yeah.
You see, that's a nice shot glass
Yeah,
here.
man.
Wow. And beautiful.
Take the picture home.
Yes, mommy. Mommy have some nice shot glass here. Real Jamaican shot glass. Them peeps. So very creative. Here. Then we in souvenir. Come to the Mobile Craft Market. They have everything that you could want. Trust me. They got everything, peeps. All kind of craft. These are made in Jamaica, I can tell you. Them box here, jewelry box and stuff like that. You can stash away your jewelry. And just like this other one. But I love them here, especially. These are a set. I love them. You can eat out of them. Trust me, I'm gonna get myself one. And they have some calabash bags. Yeah, these are calabash bags made from godi. Yeah, them here, like them here, make from godi peeps. So if you don't know godi, yeah, and a lot of turtles and stuff are carved. So a pig here. Whoa. A little pig here piece, but you know, people are very creative. Drums, a souvenir. Yeah, very creative, mommy. I say you're very creative. Yeah, turn off your light.
Yes.
Like we say, JPS, the business, they want to make money. As long as they don't get for the money.
Coming like every man for himself.
Yeah. Okay, I'm a sir. Huh? Yeah, ma'am, a sir. Alright. Yes, ma'am, you too. And thanks for talking to me. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So we're in Montego Bay Craft Market, peeps. That's a nice lady. You know what you're doing? Okay, you sound like foreigner, so. You look like foreigner, so. You look like foreigner, seriously. Yeah. You look like you just like you own a shop, just leave it, sit down a bit, like a relative you own a shop. Okay. I was born in it. Yeah. You can turn the camera from here, don't turn the camera from here. Okay, so you was born in this.
I was born in this business.
Okay, and that's how long now?
I'm 49 years. I'm here and I own my business from when I was 19.
19. Whoa. That's a long time. Yeah, before I was born. I know you find it now from so much years. How you find it? What's the difference now?
Well, this is the old difference I see now from before how it used to be.
Yeah,
We need back more business inside there.
yeah,
But to be honest with you,
yeah,
I'm still alive
yeah,
and I'm in good health. So whenever I come here,
yeah.
whatever I make, I give God thanks.
Right.
Because I have to be here, but I'm still alive and we can be here.
Yeah,
So we still get business.
yeah,
The little business who like know me and carry people to me.
yeah.
But we just need more business inside here for everybody.
Understand,
Yeah.
understand. Yeah. Whoa.
You can go inside and
Yeah.
look at it.
So you just you make stuff too?
Yeah, I make all. You see, you walk around, you find none of my jewelry. I make my jewelry them.
Yeah.
This is the necklace.
You're the designer. Yeah, because I can see they all look different.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
this
No.
is my collection. I make it myself. Necklace.
Oh, okay. So you give it a name?
And no, I don't give it.
What is the name, by the way?
My name is Winsome.
Winsome. Okay, so it's Winsome Collection.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I make my own drink
Yeah.
and I do my own decoration in the basket.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I do my own decoration.
Okay.
I can
Cool.
make a lot of different stuff.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh. That's cool. And then you like buy some to
Yeah,
add
we
to
buy
add to
some,
add
we
to
buy
it.
some, we
Yeah.
buy some and we
Okay.
make some. Yeah.
Okay.
Most definitely like the basket.
Yeah, and you make them.
And
The jewelry. Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
anybody come in any style they need,
Yeah.
I can done it for them.
Oh, okay. They just tell you what they want.
Yeah, and I do it for them.
Oh, okay. Cool. It's pretty cool.
So if you notice my design,
Yeah.
you walk around.
Yeah, no, honestly, I haven't seen anything looking like this. It's quite different.
Yeah,
Yeah, cool.
because I try not to let my things them be common.
Yeah. I understand. And you specialize on bracelet, no earring too?
Yeah, man, we make earrings and everything.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
I make earrings like. See the earrings
Oh,
in there?
oh.
Come back now.
Okay.
So, it's like, see the earring there? We make it to the set same way.
Yeah.
Understand?
Oh.
So if a guest come and need a set out,
Yeah.
and if they said they need another color, I tell them in how many minutes I can done that, you understand?
Yeah. So it not take you long, take about half an hour?
No, this one now, it takes me like a little over half an hour to do it.
Okay.
Because I'm quick, so,
Yeah.
and then I know what I'm doing, so.
Because actually, it looks so simple.
No,
It looks simple, but
it's not
and I think it's simple. Yeah, it looks simple.
That's simple,
Yeah.
because don't matter if I put it down, and if they even break it, then can make it like how we make it.
Yeah.
Because my style, I
Right,
will show
right.
nobody my style.
Yeah.
It's my style and my style.
Right.
You
Understand. I mean, I have to have our own technique.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true. I understand that. Yeah. The new shop is 143. And remind me what the name again?
Winsome and
Winsome.
142.
And 142 and 143. That's Winsome. Yeah, Winsome in the business long time. Winsome can actually make whatever you want. You can give her your design too, and she can make it. Yes. And she's at what? Montego Bay Craft Market. Yeah. Harbour Street? Oh, yeah, right at Harbour Street, please. Oh. Okay. Thank you for talking to me.
Talking to you.
Alright. Thank you. Oh, and whenever I see people have internet, I always introduce them to my channel. My channel is Holy Fire 777 TV.
What?
Holy Fire 777 TV. Yes, one subscriber at a time. As I want to reach 100,000 in no time. So we're gonna work towards going there. Right, peeps? Yeah. Working towards it.
Write it here, please. So I'm gonna remember it.
So it's
Yeah, man.
Holy Fire, HOLY FIRE.
Holy Fire.
Yeah. 777. Holy Fire 777 TV.
Okay, alright, thanks.
Okay, thank you. I remember to subscribe now.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So yes, peeps, we're not heading out yet, we're heading back to this side because I promised that lady to buy something from her. Ow. So I am going to do just that, as in purchasing something from her. In life, when you make a promise, always stick to it, peeps. Always stick to your promise, when you make a promise. Stick to it. Whoa. And here is also dusty. Papa, what go on? There, I Mr. Walk and look what go on in the market, you know? Yeah, and show the people them. I like the people who go on in Jamaica. Good things, nothing bad. Yeah, my Holy Fire 777 TV. My name is Devon. Yeah. Come see, everybody has to complain, say, not really everybody, but other people complaining that they're not getting enough tourists.
Okay, and this is your website?
Channel.
Yeah, your channel, yeah.
Yeah, I'm on Instagram,
Okay.
TikTok, Facebook.
Fire 77 TV.
No, 77.
77 TV.
Right, 777. Yeah. Hi, my name?
Anderson.
Anderson, 120.
Yeah.
120, yeah. So just sorting out your stuff.
Just putting my stuff together.
Okay. So you make some of them here?
Yes, man.
Okay, and I can tell this make from coconut.
Coconut shell. Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah. I realize Jamaicans more talented than people think, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
You can always up the yard.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man. Boss, man.
Definitely, boy. I tell you.
Quality and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Those are real leather.
Yeah, that's what I say. Real leather peeps.
Just put the little thing together, you understand?
Yeah, I understand, sir. Yes, peeps. So no come support the people and buy local.
Yes, man. Buy the local thing.
Buy local. Not just buy from the people. I mean, we love everybody still, but
Yes,
trust me,
yes.
when you buy local, the local money is staying in the country.
Yes, man. Yes,
The other
man.
people
Yes,
who come in, the
yes.
Chinese and the Indian, them, they are taking their money out of the country.
Yes, man. But
Yeah,
our
so you have
money
to buy,
stay here,
yeah,
so
buy local.
nice to shop with the local, you know?
Yeah, make your money stay, run the economy.
Just like that, my brother.
Yeah, man. People don't really understand that, and we as Jamaican too, we tend to support them.
The Indian support them Indian.
Yeah,
Chinaman support the Chinaman.
yeah,
And we know as black.
yeah.
I don't know what the problem. We refrain them from doing the right thing.
Right.
But it's coming, you know?
Yeah.
It's coming.
Yeah, it have to change, and have to change. Can't stay same, man. Can't stay same. Yeah, man. So you do them for them carving here,
Yes,
just?
man. Not for them.
Jaja. And carving don't look, I mean, it look like plastic, but it's actually board,
A wood,
peeps.
them, man.
A
Wood.
wood.
Straight
Yo.
wood.
Yeah. Jaja. Speech.
Straight wood style.
Yeah. And real
So we
authentic.
just come in back and we just pack up some things,
Oh.
make some things work, you know? Put
Yeah.
back the shop together, you know?
Yeah. Oh, you wasn't here for a while?
No, man, we went out, we go and sell, you know. Over
Oh.
by Harmony Park, we sell over there, but a thing called Reggae Night. We sell pan the block. So
When you
I
have,
don't know,
when you have reggae night?
every last Sunday, it's a good thing. Anybody
last
ever
Sunday?
tried every last Sunday in every month
Mhm.
over by Harmony Park?
Some say gone already then?
Yes, he gone from Sunday.
How many you know? Jaja.
Yo, I tell you, say it's a splendid thing, man. You
Yeah.
got big artists come and perform, local and international perform.
Whoa.
And you get to eat the real Jamaican food like the ackee and saltfish, anything with Jamaica for order, and
Yeah.
just natural food they look out there.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
sell
yeah.
craft, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, man, so.
I'm a big store.
That's so, man, that's how I go, man. Sometimes things have to go.
Yeah, come there in a place and, you know, you know. Alright, big up yourself, sir. Yeah. Hello, nice ladies. How are you doing? Yeah, so now I have some real, listen again, sweetie banana. Yeah, the banana that's sweet, real Jamaican banana. Yeah, man. So, how things going on? Slow. Oh, okay. No, man, I'm not doing that. I wouldn't do that, mommy. I not invade people's privacy that way there. No, I don't do that. I never do that, mommy. Alright, mommy?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So there's people walking. Say, good afternoon, nice lady. How are you doing? Oh, okay. Yeah. So we're walking and looking. Hello. Hello, nice lady. So you enjoying now? East Indian? No, East Indian, man. I love the smell and the taste, but I love the smell. I just love smell it. You know, wash your skin and eat the same way.
Don't ask my people to smell it.
Eh? So don't I smell it. Me not eat it. That's unfair. But you're wasting now because you don't dash your skin.
Why?
You have to wash your mango and eat with the skin.
Watch your mango.
And eat the skin. Why you dash your skin? No man, the skin can't eat.
Only green gate skin me eat.
Okay.
Our number.
Our number. Yeah, I love number too, but
Because this kind of rough.
rough.
But I love green gate skin me eat. Green gate skin and number.
But I think it's doing nothing still to eat the skin. No, not doing nothing. But you know, like the skin, I just say a lot of nutrients in the skin. Yeah.
So are you guys doing?
No, I'm a YouTuber. Go around and showcase Jamaica. Yeah. Good and positive. Even like now, telling the people that they're supposed to buy local. I know I make the money stay in the economy because we need that. Yeah. Yeah, we need the money to stay in the economy. Because when they support, I mean, not saying that we hate anybody, you know. But we are speaking because everybody gonna support their country so the money can stay in their economy and build their country. Right. Because everybody else who come here, they send away their money to wherever they live. To build their economy. I tell them to buy local and support the local them. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you buy them, you make them here?
No.
But they are local made?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, that's nice.
Mostly do like clothes.
Oh, you do most of the clothes? Oh, okay. And jewelry. Okay, cool. Yeah. And how long have you been in this business?
Oh, not even here, but so 10 years.
Oh, okay, you're in the market for 10 years, but you have been doing it over 20 years. Okay, cool. Okay, nice. Okay, mommy. Take care of yourself. Yeah. So yes, peeps, we are still in Montego Bay craft market. Just showcasing good talent. Bless up, daddy. Oh, go on. Yo. If me didn't see it for myself, what I say? You know? If me didn't see it for myself, what I say, I know you make it. Yeah, man. Can you put the camera up on it? Alright, see, man. I create something here. So this is our elephant. Jeez, call me now, man. Give me 2 minutes to call you back, please, and thanks. Yeah? Call you from morning, just call me now. Yeah. Say my name. Yeah. Sugar. Trevor. Oh, Mr. Trevor. Okay. So Mr. Trevor creating 3 elephant ears, peeps, and trust me, this is, you know, creative skill. And they say Anna alone I used all of this, right?
Yeah, no machine.
Oh.
No machine not involved in it.
Yeah. This is creativity. So see it, no see it, Jamaicans have it. So we need to buy local, support the economy. Yeah. So you're gonna varnish it after. Polish. Yeah. Oh.
Like them in the store.
Huh?
See like those behind you in the store.
Yeah. Look, a nice store. Mr. Trevor have a nice store. Yes, a paper. So as I say, Mr. Trevor is the one that doing all of this, carving all of these papers. Trust me. And them look nice. Yeah. But this is creativity, peeps. Even this. I mean, never touch it if you say real peeps. As in, you know? As in wood, but it is wood. Yo. Jamaicans are some of the best in the world. See the peeps, when you come to the market, Mr. Trevor the writer, 114, yeah. So when you come, make sure you look for Mr. Trevor for your wood carvings, you know. Yeah, Mr. Trevor is really creative, trust me. How long are you doing this now, Mr. Trevor? 40 years. Oh, well. I mean, so you're a pro at what you're doing. You're not ask what you do, you know what you do. Jeez, what do you call me now? Why? Alright, Mr. Trevor, big up yourself here, sir. And nice ladies. Alright. Okay. Alright, I'll go around here, so peeps. The peeps, as I say, buy a local and support the local. Not too nice lady. Yes. We love everybody, but have to support the locals more. We love everybody. We love everyone, but we need to support locals so the economy can continue to work properly, stabilize the economy. Yeah, sure. Alright, nice to take time with the con, yeah? Yes, peeps. We should start with this stuff first again. I try to remember we start with this stuff first. I'm trying to remember. 164, was it 164? Start with this stuff first. I think what was this one? It was 164? 164. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Peeps, I like to keep my word. I told her that I was gonna buy something from her. Yeah, but she's not here. Yeah. And so Papa P have whole heap of Papa P. Oh, go on. See, I have whole heap of shirts and something, man. Yeah. So everything. Oh, everything. Okay. Whole heap of Jamaican something. Mr. Peeps, when you come in here, support the local them. Keep the economy running. Yeah. Keep the economy running, peeps. So peeps, I don't say today we're there, Montego Bay Craft Market. Let me search 1 and 2 more people because some people looking, so let me see. Hi, nice lady. I'm a YouTuber. I just highlight good things that's happening in Jamaica and telling the people that they should support the local market, support the local people them, so our economy can be better and stabilize the economy. Jamaica.
We're in Jamaica.
St. Catherine.
Hi, handsome, you shopping?
Yes.
Hi, good morning. Are you shopping?
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica, mommy. St. Catherine. St. Catherine.
I know Jamaican when I see them.
Oh, okay, mommy.
St. Catherine, that is Spanish town.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Not
where
yet.
Mr. Nine from.
Oh, okay.
What
Yeah.
village? You come from village?
No, mommy. No village.
Oh,
No.
but that's still in a St.
Yeah, still in
Catherine.
St. Catherine. Yeah, village in St. Catherine, see me.
I know.
Village are further down the road, so.
Oh, so you go all over the 14 parishes?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
So you work for yourself?
Yeah. Yeah. Highlighting good things that are going on in Jamaica, you know? No negativity. Because all the good things, we talk about the good things then. But
We're going to talk about the bad things in Jamaica. People don't talk about the good things, they talk about the bad things.
really, not me though, mommy. I
I
prefer.
don't want to say you.
I prefer positivity. Bad things affect happen still, you know, because positive and negative work together, right? Yeah. So you're not gonna have the bad without the good and the good without the bad.
So only you alone doing this?
Yeah, I'm the only one walking.
Oh.
Yeah. So how long have you been doing this?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a shop here.
Oh, you don't have a shop here?
I look for my friends.
Oh, okay. I see. Understand. All right, then, mommy. Take care.
Alright, thanks. Have a good day.
You too. So yes, peeps, when the people are friendly and they will talk to you. Yeah, and some like to cuss. Typical Jamaican peeps. Let me see if I see my way out. Some people on them phone, so I'm not gonna trouble them. But it is what it is, peeps. Yeah. But we need more support. We need local to support Jamaica. So we need to support. And as the people them say, good afternoon, nice ladies. You mind talking to me? You know what I'm showing the camera? I'm just, highlighting Jamaica and the craft market. Yes, and the good things. I'm telling the people them to buy local. From here, so they're not buying local. Them going to buy from the Chinese them and the Indians them. Yes. So they need to buy local. Yeah. So you mind to put it on the camera? You don't mind? Oh, so how long have you been here?
I'm here 37 years now.
Wow, 37 years.
37 years.
Yes, and during your 37 years, is this the worst time now?
It's the worst time.
Whoa.
Because we're not making any money.
Whoa.
Everything going to the Indians.
Yeah,
So we're not making any money because the Indians can give them their cut, we can't.
yeah,
We can maybe give a 10
Yeah.
or a 15.
yeah.
You know,
Oh,
but
okay. So I
it's-
see the tourists then come, they take them to their
Right.
store.
To their store.
Whoa.
The drivers take them to their store.
So
because
see,
the driver get their cut.
oh, so they see our same Jamaicans selling out our Jamaicans,
Right.
just like in slavery, where
That's
the black
right.
people enslaved black people sell them to wherever country.
right,
So
that's
it's
right.
happening all over again.
All over again. So
Oh,
we are
Lord.
getting the shitting end of the stick.
Yeah.
That's how it goes.
Whoa.
That's how it's going now.
Yeah.
It's very hard for us here.
Yeah.
And we have stock inside.
Yeah, that's what I say. You have everything to offer.
Yes.
You have a
lot of
lot.
stock.
You have a lot to offer.
Yes.
But yeah.
Yes, we make a lot of our stuff too. We make our carvings,
Yeah.
we make jewelries, we make paintings,
Yeah.
and we make our craft work, as you can see.
Yeah, I can
have a
see
lot
that.
of stuff.
You have a lot of craft work and all that.
Even
Yeah.
the drums there, we make them.
Yeah. And right here, I see I have merengue seed.
Yes.
Mr. Merengue king,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I believe in merengue.
You believe
I
in it?
don't take no
And let
vitamin.
me get them then.
I don't take no
As
vitamin.
attack as me, if you take one.
I don't take no vitamin, no iron beside meringue.
True.
Meringue have more vitamin, calcium, mineral than any vitamin or peanut peel you can think about.
Me go take
And you don't have to take my word for it, you can Google it for yourself.
Yes, I'm going
Yeah,
to.
yeah. So anywhere I go, I spend a word about meringue.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah, I love meringue.
That's
Yes, peeps. So, you know, this is our craft. What is her name, miss?
I'm Maureen.
Maureen?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, so peeps. So when you come to the craft market, yes, come and look for Miss Maureen. So she's at number
Shop 72.
shop 72.
Yes.
Yeah, shop 72, peeps.
Yes.
Yeah, you find Miss Maureen, see her face.
Right.
And she look fresh to me. She said she's been here for 20 years.
27 years.
27 years, but she's still looking like 27. So I know what she's doing, but she's doing something right.
Yes.
All right, Miss Maureen.
Yeah, man.
All right, take care. Yeah. So yes, peeps, as I said, peeps, a lot of people will talk to you. Jamaicans are like that. Yes, and I'm gonna be doing more of that, as in interacting with the locals. Yeah. Interacting with the locals, talking with them. Hi, nice lady. I like your hats. Yeah. You make them?
No.
Okay.
I buy them.
You buy them?
Yes.
Whoa. But they're locally made.
Yes.
Whoa.
And I have some.
So this a straw, but they color it?
Yes, man. I buy Wholesale.
Yeah, you understand, but yeah.
And I can show you more different types.
Whoa.
Come inside and
Okay. Okay.
I have different types. I have these.
Oh, okay.
These.
Yeah.
Can I? No, you don't. Yeah, I don't know if you repeat on none of these. They
Yeah.
are different.
Yeah. How much you sell one of these for?
Hmm?
How much you sell one of these for?
What in what what
No, so what?
US or Jamaica?
Whichever.
Mm-hmm. 25.
25. No, that's very reasonable.
Yeah, man. Thank
But
you.
I realize that you guys in here, overcharge people.
No, man. me
No,
not
honestly,
overcharge.
I'm
You
not
don't
saying
go-
that because-
you don't go. When you go out at this street, and they
Yeah.
bring them out here.
Yeah.
So we have to do because we have to pay rent. I don't pay our rent.
Yeah.
Then close our shop.
Yeah.
So I sell
Oh.
it for cheap.
Yeah. Actually, 25, that's reasonable. Trust me.
Mhm.
I didn't
So-
expect you to say that.
So no, man. So
I didn't expect you to say that,
yeah,
mommy.
those are walking sticks.
Yeah.
That
Walking
are
stick.
only $30.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
Look here, come here, darling.
Yeah.
Have some nice bracelets. Yeah, a rasta. I can sell you something.
Yeah.
Very cheap.
Very cheap.
No, not you. Not you.
Oh.
No, man, they're right there.
Okay. I thought that someone was buying
No, man.
something from you. They don't want to stop it from selling.
No, man,
Okay.
because I want to sell. Sometime all 2 months we don't sell anything.
2 months?
Mm-hmm.
Are you
3
serious?
weeks.
So you
Maybe
pay the
only
rent
some-
in here?
My,
you have to pay
my
rent?
husband have to drive taxi to pay my rent.
No,
As a God
but it shouldn't be a business.
Why-
A business should be so.
No, this is not succeeding, but we have to.
Yeah,
Every
yeah,
day
yeah.
we come.
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't make
Yeah, because you love it, so you gotta do it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you don't come up here, you can't sell it
I
now.
give you this one for $7.
One love. Actually, yeah.
You're not buying?
No, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself,
something
mommy.
from me.
Don't worry yourself, mommy.
I'm glad when I saw you.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry yourself. Well, you sell nice stuff, nice jewelry. You're making
man.
of these jewelries?
Yes, man.
Oh, okay.
But my eyes are not wonderful right now.
Yeah.
Because of cataract.
Oh, okay,
Mm, have this here.
okay. Well, you sell nice thing. What do you say your name is?
My name is Noblet.
Miss Novelet.
Yuan.
Yuan.
E-W-A-N.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Miss Novelet. And Miss Novelet have nice things selling here, peeps.
Yes, darling.
So when you come to this shop, tell them the shop number again, Miss Novelet.
Shop 61.
Shop 61.
And we have also some bamboos, necklace.
Bamboo necklace.
Yes.
Okay,
The
cool.
unusual.
Very unusual.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So make sure you guys come and shop with Miss Novelet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, okay, Miss Novelet.
That is something, give me the last peep, something different.
Oh, okay, man. 10%. In here, dark, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The light gone.
Let me turn on there's a phone light.
Yes, I have calabash. Nice
Yeah.
bracelet.
Okay. Jeans
What
and
about one
stuff.
Jamaican bracelet for you? Look at these. You're a Rasta. You don't have one of these nice
You know, I'm not Rasta though. I just grow me here.
Well, they come like my niece,
Yeah.
Obama's. She's a nurse. This is
Okay.
nice.
I know someone gave one of this recently.
Eh?
Yeah.
So what about the bracelet to go with it?
Yeah.
Or one Jamaican one? Make it a family price, man.
I have so much now I don't know.
Oh, I'm seeing a t-shirt. Go and look. Might
Okay.
be something.
Yeah. Okay, you have a lot of stuff, man.
Yeah, thank you for the fight. You have some nice lighter.
Yeah.
Holder.
Okay. Keyring holder. It's a keyring holder.
See it here, sir.
Oh.
This is nice.
Key holder. Okay.
holder.
I thought you meant key rings. Though.
Okay, right here, my dear. Look at this.
Okay.
If I can break your sister eye. For sure.
Okay.
I have with the map. I have
Yeah.
the butterfly. I have Bob Marley.
Mhm.
I have these. These are nice. Let me give special price.
Special price.
Yeah, man. Look at this
Okay.
one with the hummingbird.
Yeah.
Sweet Jamaica.
Sweet Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's get outside because it's
No
hot
problem.
again now. Yeah, and what you say name is?
I'm Janet, darling. Otherwise, Prim.
Miss Janet?
Yes.
Or Miss Prim?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you're at
Shop 59.
Shot 59. And you have a lot of things in there. How long have you been in the business now?
I'm in the business about 32 years, but I have my own business about 18 years now.
Okay. So you're well experienced.
Yeah, man. I have
Okay.
my license, my JTB license, and all of that.
Yeah.
I get my visa off my business.
Okay, cool.
You can step on inside and see different things.
Yeah,
T-shirt, souvenir, you name it, I have it. I may not have everything,
yeah.
but I do
But
have
you
a
have a
lot
variety of
things.
different things.
Yes.
And that's good.
Handmade stuff and all of that.
Right. And I've been in there, as I see. I was recording earlier, so you're gonna see that video from before.
All
And
those food over there, these are handmade, locally made in Jamaica.
Okay, cool. That's cool.
Yeah, jewelry and so on in there too.
Yeah, she have everything. Yes, shop 59. Must I'm going there, man. I'm going there. I was recording while I was in there.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay,
Yeah, I was
okay.
recording, man.
All right, thank you, my
Yeah,
dear.
just at the shut off. No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I was recording first. Yeah. So tell me my name again.
Pardon me?
Tell me my name again, Miss.
I'm Miss Janet Darling.
Miss Janet at
Shop owner
59.
Craft Market.
Oh, okay. All right,
Montego
Janet.
Bay. Thank you. Nice
All right.
meeting you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So yes, peeps, today I'm Montego Bay Craft Market with some nice ladies selling some nice craft. Two nice ladies.
Yeah, my name is Donna,
Your name is Darna.
and she's Diana.
Diana. My sister?
Maybe.
Huh? People know
Yes
that
and no.
people just doesn't look alike like that, so
That's my daughter.
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. You could have passed your twin.
Yeah, we are twins.
Yeah, that's what I realized.
She's my sister and my best friend.
Yeah, that's why I say yes and no.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's the family must live.
And mine.
And her shop is shop 56.
And I do those straw work, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. You made the design. Smile. Smile, man. Jamaica. Okay. Okay. But you're very creative.
She do the drawing.
Should the drawing?
Yeah.
Oh.
She's the artist.
Okay. So you go to school for this? Where you get it from?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, man.
So she just do the drawing and you do the sewing.
Right.
Yeah.
She sew as well, but me do.
You do
look
both.
at she ups and down.
Oh, okay.
So me just go ahead and
Yeah.
start.
Alright, I'm looking at your store.
So you can video the store.
Yeah. So she have some nice craft here, peeps. And some handmade jewelries. Sorry, is that handmade or?
All
Yes.
of them. And it was made out of coconut. The thing is on the bag, it's coconut.
Them here?
Yeah, man, coconut.
So these are made in Jamaica?
Yes.
Whoa. Whoa.
Shelled, cleaned,
Okay.
boiled and bleached and then dyed.
Okay. Whoa. This not normal.
There's a lot of work in that.
Yeah, this not normal.
No.
No.
Most of the beads now.
Yeah.
The rasta
They
beads
have-
and stuff like that, we do them too.
Okay.
These are done on one long string and then you cut them off to the sizes that you want. So you
Okay.
have coffee bead bracelets.
Okay.
These are coffee beans.
Coffee beans.
Yeah. It goes through the same process as the coconut.
Yeah. Because then
To
you feel
have
like
them
you feel
colours.
lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel very light.
These are easier to dye than the coconut.
And the coconut, okay, because
coffee beans are softer.
What is coffee beans again? I don't remember.
That is coffee where you drink.
Coffee where you drink?
The young one.
Coffee where you drink?
Yeah, the green coffee.
It's a
you
coffee
cut
bean.
it up.
Must have some wild coffee or something.
No, the one Blue Mountain coffee. You cut it
You
up.
can use the wild coffee.
You cut it up
Okay.
and boil it,
Yeah.
and then you add your color,
But no.
color that you want.
But thinking about it, it's a lot of work. See me?
It's a lot of work to braid the bracelet.
Yeah.
Because that's braided.
Yeah.
Each time you braid piece, you have to add a bead.
Yeah.
So it is a lot of work.
Whoa. I'm not normal.
And you
Man.
have conch shells, same process.
Conch.
Yes.
Oh, you could take this thing.
The same process, you have to boil it and color it.
No, it says conch as in conch.
As in that conch shell over there.
Yeah. As in, where's the conch shell again?
See the conch
As in,
shell?
this conch shell.
Yeah. You cut it up.
Oh.
You have to cut it up.
No, so you have something. What way you use to cut them? Cut them to small. Cause it's tough.
The angle grinder.
Oh, okay. What's
And then
it?
you drill it.
Oh.
Because each shell has 2 holes in it.
Yeah. It's a whole lot of work. too.
Sometimes you do a whole heap and then just burst out.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a whole lot of work, man. A whole lot of work put into all of this. And these are.
So if you buy the bead itself now and string it.
Okay.
Yeah, put it up on.
Okay.
And then you string.
Whoa. Oh, no, normal. These guys are not normal people, so I need to support them. Yes, come to Montego Bay Craft Market.
And
Yeah.
the t-shirts over your head,
Uh-huh.
it's a old t-shirt.
Uh-huh.
I cut it up, beat them,
Yeah.
and tie them.
Okay. One Love Jamaica. Okay. Oh, so you just create the design as in this? Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's cool. I remind them of the name again.
My name is Donna.
Donna, Miss
Yeah.
Donna, and she's at shop 56. Yes, Montego Bay Craft Market, right on?
Yeah.
Right on? Remind us of
Street.
Harbour Street. Okay.
And the Howard Boulevard.
And Howard Boulevard. Okay, yeah. So this is Harbour Street in Montego Bay, not Kingston. Yeah. Okay, man.
And that's her now, so you can go over to her.
Okay.
She has different things.
Okay. So Diana is at shop 53, peeps. Shop 53. Yeah. Oh. And in Diana's shop, she got a lot of stuff also. Whoa. Whatever you want, peeps. Look at them nice. You're a smoker.
Certain things you cannot put on camera in that shop.
Certain things?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not appropriate for children.
No, actually my channel says adults content only.
That's a problem then.
Adult something. Adult content only. Not for kids.
So you have ashtrays like this.
Okay. Oh yeah, actually it's with a banana.
Banana man.
Okay.
Ready,
See,
Freddy?
see, ladies, when you come, you can get your own souvenir. A banana man. Ready, Freddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have
Okay.
smile
Smile.
if you swallow.
Smile if you swallow. Okay.
You also have it in shirts.
Okay.
Hold on. I can't find one.
So Miss Diana have a lot of stuff in here also, peeps. Nice stuff. So when you come to the craft market, Montego Bay Craft Market, you got to visit our shop, and our shop number is
53 Harbour Street Craft Market.
okay. But they got a lot of nice stuff, peeps. Trust me. These peeps are not. These Jamaicans are not normal. I lick it, so it's mine, Jamaica. Okay.
And it's a 2-piece suit.
The 2-piece suit.
The shorts have Jamaica at the back.
Wow. Awesome. So these are made in Jamaica?
Some of them.
Some of them. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
Some of them are.
Okay.
Like the print,
Yeah.
if it's not made here, the print, is done here.
Okay. So you tell them what print you want
Yes,
also.
and they add
Okay.
it to whatever.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So you're a very nice lady. I want to say naughty, but I said nice. Yes, Viv. So you see, and I know the ladies, when they come, I know your ladies gonna want some of these souvenirs.
And the smile if you swallow is a shot glass.
Is that shot glass?
It is a shot glass.
This is a shot glass?
Yes. That holds 3 shots.
Okay, so you see, peeps, I didn't know that. Oh, there's a hole right here. Wow.
That's why it says smile if you swallow. Because at the end of all them shots, you will be smiling.
Okay. So you see? You what she say? Say it again.
At the end of all the shots
Yeah.
that goes in that shot glass, you will be smiling.
Okay.
That's why it says smile if you swallow.
Okay. Smile if you swallow.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Very cool.
And we sell spices, Jamaican spices.
Okay. Island Spice. So who is Island Spice?
It's a company in Kingston.
In Kingston. Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. So Miss Diana, I have a lot of stuff here, peeps. So when you come, make sure to visit our store.
And I have a card.
Okay, you have a card. And the card is
D&D.
let me come outside so I can get that right. Yes. So it's D&D Wholesale and Retail Jewelry, Clothing and Accessories. Shop 53 and 56. Harbour Street, Craft Market. Harbour Street, Montego Bay, St. James. And the store number 1876 890 2562. Yeah. And she make all that you want. And she's a very naughty lady also. So
I try.
Yeah, you try?
Yeah.
Well, you're not trying, you're actually doing it. Okay. Well, alright, Miss Diana. Yeah. Take care of your nice self. Okay? It was a pleasure talking to you.
You too.
Okay.
And this is my neighbor.
What is your neighbor?
But she's not here right now.
Oh, okay.
My friend is helping me.
Oh, your friend?
So,
Okay.
put them out.
Yeah, you're a very nice friend. Yeah. Only nice friends really help friends nowadays. Some friends are just friends with benefit. If they're not benefit anything, they won't help. True. So you're a very nice friend. Our number is 52. Oh, okay. That's 52, please. Right beside Diana. And her Diana mom is across from here. Okay, and they have all kind of craft here also. You can visit them. They have a lot of crafts. Yeah. Souvenirs and chains and anklets and bracelets and stuff like that. Key rings. Yeah. We'll visit them. And tell them where you are again.
Harbour Street Craft Market, Harbour Street, Montego Bay. Come and check us out and see what we make.
Okay. And it's a pleasure, Miss Diana. Take care of
You
yourself.
too.
Alright. Oh, remember to subscribe to the channel, Wholesale 777 TV.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Alright. You do
Because I saw it on your shirt.
Oh, you saw it on my shirt. Sometimes I forget. Honestly, sometimes I forget. That's it's actually there.
Alright.
Okay, nice lady. Yeah. So yes, peeps.
I've improved my body shape and joint mobility.
Why this stupid thing? So yes, peeps. I think I'm gonna leave here now. So each time I'm leaving, someone is calling. Hello, nice lady. Hello. How are you doing? My name is Devon. Or Wholesale 777 TV. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah, on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, I'm everywhere and anywhere. Yeah.
Me pay you for your advertising for the one. I know me not see myself.
You pay me?
Of course, you're there with it. I'm the first one.
Me?
You're the who?
No, say it again. You pay me. Look at
The
me.
one there. No, I know you ain't coming. I'm no idiot.
No,
You
look.
come in here already.
Alright, look
When you
again.
say for those sir, now we are one packet. Sorry.
You see, peeps, this is why people get bad name. Look now, you should say. And it's my first time coming here. Look for me on YouTube and say if you see me. Look on the
I know
face.
you miss your double.
No, look on YouTube. Well, it wasn't me, okay?
Somebody else?
Yeah.
Because the one they call me, someone can't
If,
be.
cause guess what now? I don't charge. Yo, bro.
Then I want to try to look at what we're going to give. I only can't see it. That's me on my page.
Oh, so now come back from lunch yet? it's like 116 now. I give my until 125, yeah? Yeah. Alright, and sorry for you all up. Sorry for you all up.
Take like you take a lot to get wide.
Alright, cool. Yeah, so you say a YouTuber come in here and charge you for advertising?
So I can't have it, God say I can't be. Thank you, Jesus, for you can't read, you're not idiot.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's messed up. So YouTubers out there, if you're going around charging for advertising, don't do that. That's bad. Yeah, no, don't do that. So anyway, this nice lady is at shop 47. Yeah. Nice ladies? Alright, miss? Okay, mommy. Okay. I'm not the guy who charged to advertise here. I'm not that guy. No, not me, mommy. yeah, what she's saying, she's very true. But she's mistaking him for me. And it's my first time being in here. Okay. Yeah. So these ladies have some nice basket here and stuff. Yeah, handmade. You made this, mommy? Oh, okay. Oh, you made them here? Decorated. You decorated?
Decorated.
Oh, okay, oh, okay. Whoa. And I realized that each of you have a different decorated style.
They have different style.
Yeah. What is what? 2 hummingbird or what?
2 hummingbird.
2 hummingbird. Whoa.
And I just come here with the slippers.
Yeah. Very, very so creative. It's the peeps, so Jamaicans are creative. Look at this. They create this slippers on it like nice. Look at this one. They are like so creative peeps. Made in Jamaica, so come and support the locals peeps. Don't just go into the stores. Come to the craft market and support the local vendors. Yeah, so get real authentic craft. Yes. Alright ladies, take care of yourself, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, mommy, and next time look on the face then, good day, mommy. Huh? So yes peeps, I am leaving the craft market now. Which way should I walk? I should walk this way? Yes. So it's been a day, the sun is hot, but trust me, it's been nice talking to the craft vendors. And as they are saying, they're not getting enough sales because tourists are being dropped off and they are going to the Indians and the other stores. Yeah. So please, whosoever Minister of Tourism, please drop off some of the tourists in the craft market in Montego Bay so they can buy from the locals and support and keep the local economy floating. Yeah, so I'm trying to start the video now because if I don't start the video now, it's not gonna stop. I mean, some people, because more people want to talk to me. Yeah, and it's good interacting with locals and I love doing that. Yeah. It's bossy. Yes, peeps, so it's been a wonderful day going around and talking to the locals in Montego Bay Craft Market. Yeah. At Harbour Street Craft Market. Yeah. Harbour Street. Right. So, it's a boy Wholesale 777. And if it's the first time tuning to the channel, don't forget to what? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That is it. So, let's see where else I will go for the rest of the day. But trust me, peeps, you're gonna get a lot of videos coming out of Jamaica from me. I'm gonna bring a video every day, every single day. And we have a very gloomy sky over there. We don't know if we might get some rain. But anyhow, peeps, thank you all for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. And get me say, one fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love and do it. Do it to your best ability. So until the next video, peace out.